Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I am beyond excited to share with you some amazing quinoa recipes that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also help you in your weight loss journey. Quinoa has been all the rage in the health and wellness community for its numerous health benefits, including being packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. And the best part is that it is incredibly versatile and can be used in a multitude of dishes. First up, let's start with a delicious and nutritious quinoa salad. This salad is bursting with fresh flavors and is perfect for a light and satisfying meal. Start by cooking some quinoa according to the package instructions and letting it cool. Then chop up some colorful bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions. Mix the veggies with the quinoa and drizzle on a tangy homemade dressing made with olive oil, lemon juice, and fresh herbs. This salad is a perfect option for a quick lunch or as a side dish for dinner. Next, let's whip up a mouth-watering quinoa stir-fry. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make. Simply sauté some mixed vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas in a hot pan with a bit of olive oil. Add in cooked quinoa and a splash of soy sauce and stir-fry until everything is well combined. The result is a vibrant and flavorful dish that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. For a more substantial meal, try making quinoa stuffed bell peppers. These colorful peppers are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also incredibly delicious. Start by cutting the tops off the bell peppers and removing the seeds. In a bowl, mix cooked quinoa with black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and spices like cumin and chili powder. Stuff the mixture into the hollowed-out bell peppers and bake in the oven until the peppers are tender. Top with some creamy avocado and fresh cilantro for a finishing touch. These stuffed peppers are not only delicious but also a great source of protein and fiber. And last but not least, for a hearty and nutritious breakfast option, try making a quinoa breakfast bowl. This bowl is a perfect way to start your day on a healthy note. Cook some quinoa in coconut milk for added creaminess and flavor. Top the quinoa with sliced bananas, berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. This breakfast bowl is not only delicious, but also packed with protein and antioxidants to fuel your day. So there you have it, my friends. 4 amazing quinoa recipes that are not only delicious, but also great for weight loss. Whether you're looking for a light salad, a satisfying stir-fry, a hearty stuffed pepper, or a nutritious breakfast bowl, quinoa has got you covered. So why not give these recipes a try and start incorporating this superfood into your diet today? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. Remember, food is fuel for both your body and soul, so choose wisely and nourish yourself with love. Until next time, stay blessed and be well.